Welcome back to another unboxing video, guys. Today is, like I've been saying, there's something super exciting coming for the drone. This is indeed, yes, for the drone. It is from Amazon, so enough of me talking. We're gonna go ahead and start opening this package up. Got Vincent Van Gogh over here chilling. That just came in the mail too, so super exciting. Cut this drone on up. Alright, get right to the package. Ooh. You see that? You see that? This is super exciting. It's going to be honestly a game changer, guys. If you're new to this channel, you know I use a DJI drone. I think it's a Mini Pro 3. But obviously flying in the air, I don't really get that good of an audio. So the plan is to tie one of these little mics onto the drone so that way I can hear the exhaust noise and hopefully not too much of that audio from the drone itself. But enough of me talking, let's go ahead and open up this package and see what contents are inside of this box right over here.
Okay.
That took a little bit of back and forth, but finally got everything at least taped off. So DJI mic, however you guys want to call it, DJI. This is such a hard thing to say really fast, but cracking open the box. So coming right off of here, we have a charging case, a receiver, and 2 transmitters. Carrying pouch, a hot shoe adapter, don't know what that means. Widescreen, or windscreen, sorry. Windscreen, mobile phone adapter, more mobile phone adapters, camera audio cable, instruction manual, clip magnet, and a charging cable. So looks like we had to register it, get an extended warranty, maybe. Let's see here, opening up this. Ooh, okay, we're gonna open up this box right after, but going first into this, we have this is really kind of heavy. There's nothing else in the box, no stickers. That's kind of sad. We all love stickers when opening a box, but let's see here. I believe this is the case itself to where you could put the microphones inside. Wow, this thing already has my fingerprints on there. Huh. The material's weird. So cracking it open. Hallelujah. Sheesh. Looks like they're already open. I am going to do a full video, probably not a full video, just really testing out the mics and everything. If you guys subscribe, you'll see in the later on videos talking and doing vlogs and doing different stuff for the channel. Definitely I'll be using these, but these things are very small. Right behind we have Vincent Van Gogh over here. It's the size of a Lego guy, and honestly this thing will fit perfectly fine on the drone. So let's see here, put this guy back on there. The mic, you have a sync button on there. Put that guy back inside. Pulling this thing out right over here. It's just like an Apple headphone where you can just charge everything in this case. Okay, let's see here. So this is separate. That's an interesting little thing. They did say that a shoe thing came along with this. Not too sure what that means, but let's see. Alright, let me dig into this. Mic, in and out. Charging, power cable, power button, screen locked. Nice. Set this up. 2024 0104. Alright. Don't even know the time is accurate, but cool. You can see how the mic is kind of like feeding back and forth. Alright, so I'm talking right now and you can see the levels of the volume bouncing back and forth. There you go, much clearer. So that's pretty cool to know that they are both functioning, and like they said, they included these little extra charging cables, which looks so weird. Hold on. Ah, look at that. It's got some little clips on there, and these I'm assuming will go into this. So already dropped the brand new product. It's hard to film, guys, and look through stuff, but let's see here together. So this guy will go right in here. Oh, that makes sense. Hold on. And that's how you plug it in, straight to the phone. Interesting. So it is recording the audio straight through the mics, guys. This is straight up crazy. Basically, I took that little box that I dropped earlier, plugged it in with the phone. This is a lightning cable, but I have a Type-C, so it plugs straight into there. And now I'm using the mic to talk on it. It was super simple to set it up. All you have to do is hit this little button right here, and the red button turns on, showing that you are recording. And it does actually show on the box itself recording and everything. So super cool to see this work straight from the box. But let's go ahead and open up the other box. Right here you have the DJI bag with the logo on there. Is there any stickers in the box? Still no stickers. So I did pay a good whopping around $250 for this, guys, but honestly I think it's going to be worth it. Got a headphone plug here. I'm assuming this is how you can plug this into the mic itself. So straight from your headphone in there. And wow, these things are soft. So these are what they call the wind. So basically you won't have so much wind in there. You put that right there, and basically now it's just a nice little sock for it. And the cool thing about that also, it also serves as a dust protection, so there won't be any dust to go inside the mics or anything like that. Another Type-C charge cable right over here. And then that's the last thing inside the bag. It's a really nice bag. It's kind of heavy. Hold on, there's something else inside. There we go. Still no stickers. Kind of disappointed, DJI, but then again, why would they make stickers? So safety guidelines, quick start guide. You can hook it up right to the camera. Wow. And there you go. That makes more sense. So you connect it straight to your camera. So you could use this for a camera. You could use this for a smartphone. It looks like you do have to download an app, but me, I was able to just straight use it like that. But probably this would be very smart, so you can connect it and file through the audio files. Hook it up to your body. Put the little wind mic on there. There's instructions for everything right over here. That is so cool. Really thought for, and that's honestly what we did. Going straight into it, I usually just go straight into things. I don't like to look at the instructions, but put the cable right up on there. Follow the arrows, plug it straight into the phone. So really cool, really simple mic unboxing video. I like this little, I like this little fuzzy thing that they gave to us on the mic and everything, and I think this is going to change the game, guys. The audio is going to be so much crisp and cleaner. Okay, so everything's now wrapped up, put away. This thing actually twists in and out with the little cap that it's on there. So something else that's super cool, it does show the charge time. 15 hours, guys. 15 hours of mic. Of course, it's just a mic, so it's just generating sound. But 15 hours, it's a lot of time. You guys know, if you guys have been here on the channel a lot, you know I go to a lot of different meets in different cities. So definitely 15 hours is very convenient. Having everything on a Type-C kind of sucks. The drone, the gimbal, the camera, everything's on a Type-C cable. So having this thing with the 15-hour charge and the whole entire box is charged at 3 batteries. So it's a really good box. It's very sturdy and it's super small. It fits right in the palm of the hand. So that all goes inside the bag. And honestly, I do have a separate bag that I put the drone and everything else inside. So that probably will fit just right there. But if you guys like this quick little unboxing video, this DJI mic, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Make sure to subscribe so we can keep on going forward with this. And so you guys don't miss out on all the fun footage that we are going to get with the drone. Hopefully the little thing does not fly off the drone while we are flying in the air. That drone is pretty quick. I do like DJI products. So as always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.